Hi.
What are you guys doing today?
I'm feeding the birdies.
You're feeding the birdies. Do you want to show us what you guys did?
Yeah.
Hello everyone and welcome to the Jones Life. I'm Joanna. Joshua, he's a little sick today. Right, Joshua?
Under the weather.
Under the weather. Anyhow,
Mommy,
yes.
not sick.
No, Elijah's not sick and Mommy's not sick. Only Joshua. He's getting better. Anyhow, today's video is a special project, a kid's project that my mother-in-law sent me. I had seen them before, and she remind me to put it together, and it's super cheap, super easy to do. Cuckoo bird, yeah. And the ingredients are like things that you already have in your kitchen, so it's definitely, and spring is coming up, so it's something that the kids definitely are gonna enjoy doing. So it's we're gonna be doing bird feeders, but they're bird seeds that you are gonna pack together and hang them either outside in the tree. And so I'll explain right now of what the things consist. But before I do that, we have a special guest. Oh, and we even have our little birdhouse right here. This is actually a project that the boys did at Home Depot. I thought it was a bird feeder. You could put food in it, but Ricky said it was a rain gauge to see how much water we get. But you could even put water and the birds could get water from there. So I thought it was pretty cool that we did this today, and we're actually doing this today. So we'll put that right there. But before I begin telling you all that we have a special guest here at our home today, and she's super excited to join us. And she's a special person that we've been involved in her life for a long time. And this is our goddaughter, and her name is Maya! Woo! Yay! You guys can scoot over and give her some space. Hi Maya, how are you?
Good.
Are you having fun with us?
Yes.
Yeah? She's been wanting to do a video, so this is perfect for her. So do you want to explain what we're going to do today?
We're going to make a bird feeder out of things from our kitchen.
There you go. So you want to start by saying the ingredients, and then we'll say the measurements afterwards, okay? So you just, what is this? Corn syrup.
Corn syrup.
And this is cooking spray.
Cooking spray.
And this?
Bird seeds.
And this whole bag we got at the dollar store, so $1 for that whole thing. What is this, guys? Gelatin. This is what you make Jello. So gelatin, and these
Cookie cutters.
cookie cutters. So get whatever cookie cutters you want. We're gonna need
Ribbon.
You'll see why.
A straw.
A straw.
Some water.
Some water. More ribbon, and measuring cups or spoon, and this flour, and then this a tray, cookie tray, and then a mixing bowl and a spoon. So now we're gonna Maya's gonna say the measurements for the recipe.
3/4 cups of flour, 1 gelatin, 1.5 cups of water, 3 tablespoons of corn syrup, 4 cups of seeds.
Perfect. Super simple. All right. So you guys want to start it? Here we go. All right. You want to come in the middle, Maya?
Thank you.
No, you're fine? Okay. All right. Hold on then. So Maya's going to open that. Joshua. Where's the scissors? Do you guys know where the scissors are? Hurry up.
Here's scissors.
Thank you. So there you go. Yeah, hold on. You're gonna mix the water, okay?
Mix the water?
Yeah, hold on. I'll tell you when. And Josh is gonna mix the corn syrup. Hold on. So can you get the flour, Maya? You can do it. So you mix. 3/4. That means 3 of these sides, all the way to the top. This is for Joshua. All the way to the top. Right now. So 3/4 of flour. Make sure it's all the way to the top. A little bit more. There you go. Make sure it's all the way to the top. 2.
1.
More. Let's level it out. Perfect. And 3/4 cups of flour. We can put that on the side. All right. And now we're gonna mix in the corn syrup. 3 tablespoons. Hey Joshua, you wanna put it in here? Here. So 3. Oh, oh. So 1. 2. And 3. Make sure you get all the way down there. That's the sugar, and that's what the birds like, right?
We must take the water.
Hold on. And we should clean the corn syrup here on the water so we get everything in there. Okay, and Elijah is gonna mix the water in there. Okay, Elijah, you wanna put the water in here? Put the water right here, baby.
Dump it.
Right there.
Dump it.
Oh,
Okay.
I forgot the gelatin. Can you open that one, please?
Wait, not yet.
No, it's okay. You can go.
Go.
You can pour it in there.
Why do we need gelatin? Birds don't eat gelatin.
That's what holds it together, I think. Okay, put the gelatin in there. Slowly. The whole thing. The whole envelope. One envelope.
Dada, put it in the knife.
And I feel like we're missing something. And the bird seeds, yes. Sorry, Ricky, can you give me there's another thing of cup over there?
Another thing of cup?
The measuring cup, the red one? Okay, we can start mixing this.
You can't use that one?
It's 1/4.
Okay.
Okay, you do 1, 2, 3, and then Elijah's turn.
Oh, God.
Elijah's turn.
What does it mean you?
Okay.
1/4?
1 cup.
1 cup? Oh, that's all.
Yeah. 1,
Dad, this
2,
is mine.
3. Okay, now you can start mixing the 4 cups of seeds.
Dada, but he's gonna like this. I just smell it.
Mix it all the way to the top.
Good.
It smells good. That's when the birdies are gonna like it.
Yeah. They're gonna
Good job.
smell
And it
it.
goes 1, the whole thing. Ooh, yummy. 3 more. Good job, Joshua.
The birds would like this.
2.
Yeah, 3, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11,
2. How many did she put?
5.
No, she put 2. Make sure it's mixed well. Can you give Elijah a turn? 3. Wow, this is a lot. Can you give Elijah a turn to mix? Okay. That's the last one, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Good job. 4. Woo! Good job. We can put that on the side. Good job. It's hard now? Is it hard?
No. Yeah.
Yeah. Mix, mix, mix. Pretty smooth. Does it smell good?
Yes.
Yeah.
It smells like That's a
Okay, can we give Maya a turn to mix? Maya, would you like to mix it? Because she's stronger. Make sure it's all the way incorporated. While she's doing that, we're gonna, Maya chose the star because she said she's a star.
Y'all made me the pumpkin.
Elijah chose the pumpkin. So we're gonna put them here. And then I chose the leaf, and then what's Joshua's? Chose the heart. Aw.
Because Joshua has a big heart.
Yes. So we're gonna spray this so they could inside with the cooking spray so they don't get stuck when we pull them out. That's cool, huh, guys? All right. Is them all the way mixed?
That is a bit good. That smells good.
Can mommy do a control check? Control. What is it called?
Control check?
Control check. Ooh, this actually smells good, guys.
Yeah. Yeah. No wonder the birdies are going to eat it.
Now we're gonna get our hands messy.
The hands are messy. Why are you doing like this? Why do you put your hands like this?
Oh wow, it is.
A
pretty good.
frame!
Okay, guys. So that looks pretty good. Oh, it's sticky.
Sticky?
Yeah.
It's very sticky, Daddy.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Excuse me.
I'm going to do our hands.
Okay, guys. So I'm gonna put this right here,
Yeah?
and we'll put it on the side. So I'm gonna. How about I put it in there and you
That
guys
smells good.
smash it? Okay. Oh. 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 Mommy's messy. Okay, this is mine. How about that?
Look it!
That's mine.
Pumpkin.
Yeah. Okay, guys. You
bird
guys can
game.
start make sure to smash it in there.
Can we just use our hands?
Sure, that's fine.
Oh, it's just disgusting.
Here, Joshua, smash it in there. Joshua, there's some right there, you buddy. Smash it, Elijah. Make sure it's firm. Cover your mouth.
Mommy.
Right there.
The birdies are not gonna
We're
get sick unless they're human birds.
Cool.
My
You have to let this dry.
hand is
It's
missing.
okay. It's okay. Push it with your fingers. If you want to go get another one, Maya, I'd like to make more. That's fine too.
Okay.
This one.
That's missing. My hand is missing. Those.
You want more, Joshua?
Yeah.
Okay, so after you're done with this, you're gonna make a little hole wherever you want to put a ribbon to tie it once it's dry off. So it should probably take about an hour to dry, to make this go dry. And that's it. We'll show you a picture with the final thing at the very end. Okay, guys, I hope you guys try it, and I hope you guys like this. It looks pretty fun. The kids are having fun. Huh? Huh? Where else did we put some? Oh, we put water right there for the birdies. Yeah. Where else did we put food? And I see them a lot around, so I think we put one right here, right? What happened? Oh, yep, there it is. You guys see that? It's right there. This focus thing is not working. There you go. There it is. There's another one right here. So this is another little treat. And our favorite place is right here at in our sidewalk. This is a dead tree, and we put some right there, as you can see. Let me focus. You see them? They're the biggest ones. They're the heaviest ones. I'm not gonna put them. So we're gonna see if birdies come out, right, guys? Yeah. Did you guys have fun doing that? It was fun, right?